Hello and welcome. Today we bring you the health benefits of Phyllanthus emblica, popularly known as Amla. Phyllanthus emblica, also known as Amla, has been widely used in Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of medicine. Amla has been widely used in India for over 5,000 years. It is well known that consumption of fruits and vegetables is essential for our health and well-being. Amla contains many essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C, phosphorus, calcium, vitamin B and carotene. The abundant supply of vitamin and minerals explains its extensive use in Ayurveda to cure a range of illnesses and diseases. It makes a wonderful food source for healthy living. Vitamin C is essential for health. Amla is a rich source of vitamin C, which makes it a natural cure for several disorders such as common cold, cancer, scurvy and heart diseases. Scurvy occurs due to lack of vitamin C, which is abundant in Amla. Being a rich source of the required vitamin, Amla works wonders in curing the disease. Amla is very effective in reducing the bad cholesterol in the blood, which makes it good for heart. It also regulates the blood sugar levels. Amla improves the arterial walls, thereby preventing atherosclerosis. Amla, also known as the Indian gooseberry, boosts the immune system, rejuvenates and revitalizes the body and mind. Amla is very popular among Indian households as a natural hair care remedy. There are several hair care products available in the market that contain Amla extracts and claim to make hair healthy, thick, long and shiny. Amla is a wonderful free radical scavenger and can protect body cells from the damaging effects of oxidation. It has several polyphenols which are capable of scavenging oxidizing radicals. These polyphenols provide Amla its enhanced antioxidant activity. Amla is rich in fiber, which makes it good for digestion. It helps in healthy bowel movement and makes gastrointestinal tracts clean. Amla can be taken directly as a fruit or along with a regular meal. Sugar syrup recipe of Amla known as murabba is very popular in India. Its bitter and sour taste triggers various taste receptors and makes the digestive enzymes active. Amla is a wonderful fruit for your health. Add it to your regular diet and enjoy its benefits. Keep watching for more useful health videos. This was onlymyhealth.com, your daily dose for better living.